Check that the items in the inverter package are complete. The installation position must meet the inverter clearance requirements. This video uses support mounting as an example. Install the mounting bracket. Tighten the screws on both sides of the inverter. Before connecting cables, ensure that all DC switches on the inverter are off. Prepare an OT terminal. Route the AC power cable through the locking cap, rubber plug, and AC terminal box in sequence. It is recommended that the stripping length of the PE cable be 15 mm longer than that of other cables. Connect the AC power cable, using a 5-core cable as an example. Connect the AC power cable according to the wire sequence. Remove the screw from the front of the AC terminal box. Tighten the screw. Crimp the positive metal terminal. Connect the positive connector. If you hear a click, the connector snaps into place. Tighten the locking nut. When the wrench slips during the tightening, the locking nut has been tightened. Crimp the negative metal terminal. Connect the negative connector. Tighten the locking nut. Check that the cable polarities are correct using a multimeter. Remove the ceiling plugs and connect the DC power cables. Install a SIM card. Reinstall the enclosure of the smart dongle and ensure that the snap fit clicks into place. Install and tighten the smart dongle. If no communications cable is required, install the waterproof plugs for the communications terminal. Install the communications terminal to the communications port to improve the inverter waterproof performance. Route the signal cables through the locking cap, ceiling insert, and terminal housing in sequence. Install waterproof plugs for unused ports.